Thanks for joining us again here at Bill Caldwell Ford. My name is Braden Rogers, and today for Feature Friday, we're going to show you something on the 2018 Ford Expedition. We're going to talk about the 360-degree camera with split view display. So if you take a look at the dash here, put the car in reverse, and you can see our 360-degree camera and split views. So if we were backing out of a tight parking spot, or say a alley or a driveway that had blockage on both sides, as we back up out of our spot, you'll see our view will start to change, but I can't necessarily see what's coming on either side of us. If I look out the window, there's a truck in our way. I also can't see, so I'm going to push this camera button up here. It gives us a full screen display, and then I'm going to push it one more time. And we can now see down the road or alley off to our left and our right, as you can see the Bill Caldwell building here, which we clearly cannot see out of my driver's side building. That makes us safer and a little more convenient to back up out of our parking spot. Now the same thing could happen when we're driving forward to go out of a parking spot or an alley or what it might be. So we're driving forward between these two trucks, and as I get up here, I'm worried about the traffic coming from both ways. So what am I going to do? I'm going to push this camera button. It shows our 360-degree camera split view display, but I want to see a little more than that, so I'm going to push the camera button for a full screen, and then I'm going to push it again. And now, as you can see, I can see straight down the road, either to my left or my right, making things a little more safe for me to pull out onto the street. And to shut that off, I just push the camera again, and I'm back to my home screen. So that's a little bit of information about the 360-degree camera with split screen display on the 2018 Ford Expedition. For questions about this or any other options available on any Ford products, stop by and see me at Bill Caldwell Ford in Hudson. Be sure to check out our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again for joining us here at Bill Caldwell Ford.